Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to restart my Windows PC and it shows something happened and your pin is not available. Click to set up your pin again. But if I try to press set up my pin option, it not responding and it does not show any more message. So how to fix this issue? So at same time, if you already create the Windows local administrator account, just press sign in options and then choose password. So now I try to enter my Windows local account password. And finally my Windows is successfully logged in. But unfortunately, it does not show my Wi-Fi and audio icons, which means that some of my Windows services are stopped. So I try to start the service. So how to do it? So by simply open your Windows Run and then execute this command msconfig. So here you can select services category and then tick to enable all the Windows services. So once you enable it, and don't forget to save these changes. And one time restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, now you can see it shows the audio and Wi-Fi icons and this problem is fixed. So at same time, if you like to remove this Windows Hello Pin feature, just open your settings and then go to account settings. So here I try to select sign in options. So next you can click to open Windows Hello Pin. And then I get to the remove option. So just click to remove this pin. But sometime it asks for your local administrator account password and this is for verification process. So after I enter this password, finally my Windows Hello Pin feature is successfully deactivated. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.